Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Arlene de la Cruz Flores. I'm a 38 years old. I was born on March 7, 1987. I live in Agamansur, Baggao, Cagayan. I'm a Roman Catholic. My height is 175 cm. My weight is 52 kilogram. I'm married. My husband and I are both farmers, and I have a two kids. One girl, 17 years old, and one boy, 6 years old. I'm the eldest among the 7 siblings. My father is already gone, and my mother is Aida de la Cruz. She is a farmer. I have experience already in working in Hong Kong. In the month of August 20, year 2014, they are 4 members in their family. My employer and their husband and the 15 years old girl and the elderly woman. My work is taking care of 80 years old and cleaning, washing. I finished my contract in the year of 2016. After a month of December 1, year 2021, I come in Saudi as a domestic helper. They are 4 members in their family, my employer and her wife and their 2 daughters, 8 years old and 4 years old. My work is taking care their 2 daughters, cleaning and washing. I finished my contract in the month of December 28, year 2024. I am confident to work abroad for a better future of my children, for their study. Madam and sir, this is my second contract working in Hong Kong as a helper and as a mother. Madam and sir, I am kind, honest, trustworthy, and hardworking person, and most especially, I love kids and elderly, Madam and sir. Thank you and God bless.